In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom backgrounds into Microsoft Teams video calls. If you're looking to personalize your virtual meetings or simply want to hide a cluttered room, custom backgrounds are a fantastic feature to explore. Let's dive right into the process. To begin with, you'll need to join or start a meeting in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're attending a scheduled meeting or initiating a spontaneous one, this is your first step. Once you're inside the meeting, direct your attention to the top toolbar. Here, you'll notice a camera icon and right beside it a small arrow. Click on this arrow to access additional options. This action will open up the Video Effects and Background Settings panel. Now, you'll find yourself in the Background section. Microsoft Teams offers a selection of built-in background effects that you can choose from, but today we're focusing on adding your own custom flair. To proceed with using your own image, you need to click on the Add New option. This will allow you to select an image from your computer. It could be a photo of your favorite vacation spot, a professional backdrop, or even something whimsical to lighten the mood. Browse through your files and pick the image that suits your needs. Once you've selected the image, it will upload to the Teams application. After the upload is complete, you'll see your chosen background displayed alongside the default options. Simply click on the new background to select it. Now, to finalize your choice, click on the Apply button. This action will ensure that your custom background is used during the meeting. You should see your video feed update instantly with your new background in place. And there you have it. Your Microsoft Teams video call now features a custom background of your choice. It's an easy way to add a touch of personality to your meetings or maintain privacy when needed. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment down below. Enjoy your newly personalized Teams meetings.